Hi, everyone. So this week we're talking about no, boundaries, okay? The word no, not the dramatic no, not the angry no, not the defensive no, the calm, clean, steady no. Now, March is Women's History Month, and this week includes International Women's Day. We post quotes, we celebrate women's strength, we honor resilience. But let me ask you something. What does it mean to celebrate women if we still feel guilty setting boundaries? What does it mean to honor strength if we are exhausted in private? Here's the truth. A lot of women were raised to believe that saying no makes you difficult, ungrateful, disrespectful, unkind. So instead, you say yes. Yes, when you're tired. Yes, when your body is tight. Yes, when your schedule is full. Yes, when your spirit is already stretched. And then you wonder why resentment creeps in later. Let me teach you this clearly. Every time you say yes while your body says no, you teach your nervous system that your needs are negotiable. Did I say that right? Over time, that creates anxiety. Why? Because your body no longer trusts you to protect it. Did you hear what I said? Your body no longer trusts you to protect it. That's emotional intelligence. Self-trust is built when your internal signals and your external actions align. When they don't align, your body stays braced. So no, this is not about being harsh. This is about being congruent. Remember, we talked about this. And congruence is peace. Let me speak personally for a moment. You know, I'm celebrating my 50th birthday all year round. Yes, I'm celebrating it fully. And what I realized is this. I don't have the energy to keep performing accessibility. I'm grateful for the love, grateful for the gifts, grateful for the women who have showed up for me. The wish list surprises have been absolutely beautiful. But gratitude does not require self-abandonment. And that's what some of you are confusing. You think because you're thankful, you must always be available. No, availability without alignment creates burnout. I need you to repeat that to yourself. Availability without alignment creates burnout. So here's the behavior work for this week. You are going to practice one clean no. Not a defensive no, not a speech, not a paragraph, one sentence. Here's a sentence. I can't commit to that. I got another one for you. That doesn't work for me. Here's a couple more. I'm not available. I need to decline. And then you stop. Here's the hard part. You don't follow it with an explanation marathon. You don't need to soften it with self-depreciation. You do not circle back with guilt. You breathe. Let the discomfort sit. Because here's what's happening underneath. When you hold your no, your nervous system learns. I can protect myself and still be connected. That's regulation. That's maturity. That's ownership. If you feel shaky, even thinking about this, I want you to go back to your own work it out sheets for the month of March. You can download them from the site. There is a section there that asks you to write your boundary sentence before you need it. Don't wait for the moment to come and then panic. Write it now. Practice it out loud. Train your body to feel steady while saying it. That sheet isn't busy work. It's rehearsal. And if you realize your struggle with no goes deeper, if it is tied to the fear of rejection, fear of losing love, fear of being misunderstood, the Confidence is Key course will help you build internal steadiness. Not loud confidence, stable confidence. But this week, we keep it simple. One clean no, just one. International Women's Day is not just about celebrating what women have done. It's about protecting who women are. And you protect who you are by telling the truth. No is not rejection. No is clarity. And clarity is kindness to yourself. See you next week.